Welcome everyone to this demonstration video of Touchback. My name is Gauthier Renard, I'm Product Manager for Barco ClickShare. And I'm really excited today to show you a new feature that we've brought with the 1.6 release for both the CSE-200 and the CSE-800. It's a really cool feature which allows you to control your PC from the touchscreen. It's very simple. You just plug in your dongle, there's no setup required, there's no need for an installation, there's no need for drivers or anything. From the moment you're sharing, you can basically control your PC from the touchscreen, as you can see here. There we go. It works on both Mac and Windows, and it's fairly easy to use, fairly easy to install. This feature will really enable you to bring your meeting to the next level, whether you're collaborating, discussing things, or just ideating. Additionally to Touchback, I'd like to talk about the CSE-800, which has two additional really cool features, which is annotation and blackboarding. When the touchscreen is attached to the unit, just tap with 2 fingers and select the mode that you want to use. You can then use standard tools in your annotation or blackboarding session. And what's really cool is that when you save your work, it gets transferred automatically to each ClickShare app or ClickShare dongle which is connected to a PC. There's no need for additional USB sticks, entering email addresses or anything. So that was it. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next time.